Hello everyone. Today I will be unboxing the Galaxy Note 10. I just got it in the mail. We'll go ahead and open that up here. Okay. Go. So I ordered the buds, the case. That's actually was supposed to come sometime in September, but I guess they sped that up. And the moment we've been waiting for, right here. This, right here. Oh, that's sexy. That is sexy. So let's go ahead and came with the SIM card I ordered, so go ahead and put that to the side. Move this, and let's take a moment to see what's inside the box. What it comes with. All right. Package contains Note 10 Plus. S Pen wall charger, USB connector, stereo headset, quick start guide, and the terms and conditions. I don't know why I would need terms and conditions. It is my device, right? So let's look at all angles here. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, it's only one sticker too. So unlike the last ones, see if I can just get it to open without cutting it. Ouch. There it is. So if I wanted to resell it, I can kind of still sell it as new. Anyway. Alright, look, you see that? That is perfect. Set this out here. Nice. It will get fingerprints all over the place, so that's that. Let's see what's behind here. What is this? This is the super fast charging. Oh, I thought they wasn't going to include that, but I guess they did. Super fast charging, I believe, is like 45 watts. I am gonna need this to switch over from the old device to the new device. So put that aside there. This is all it is. Focus on that. Anyway, set that aside. We have the AKG headphones here. Nope, there they are. It is Type C, because as you can see here, there's no more headphone jack. I missed the headphone jack. Man, I'm so upset. I want my headphone jack back. And here's the charger. So I'm going to take that out the box here. Set that aside. Boom. And I'm not going to use this right now. So I'm going to put that back in there. Oh, there's the quick start guide on the back of the other box. Stick of that here. So the quick start guide. Here's the thing for can't get it out. Need that for the SIM card. Oh man, just destroyed that part. And the quick start guide. This device is packaged with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touchscreen features. So that means it comes with one already attached. And that is true. It is already attached. Quick reference. Alright. This looks good. I may need this because I am going to switch everything over. Put that back in there. The Note 10 Plus. Alright, anywho. Here's the screen protect. No, this is just in case. I'll put that on at another time. So let's go ahead and power this baby on for the first time. If I can find the power button. Oh, there it is. So let's see what that looks like. There it is. Feels kind of comfortable in the hand, I guess. One hand operation isn't going to be as easy, but we'll see once we get inside.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Alright, prior to me ordering this, I ordered the screen protectors in advance, 2 privacy screens from 2 different manufacturers, at least 2 different providers online, and it looks like it's the same exact thing. That was odd. Here's the clear screen protector. These are the privacy. So I just want to see how it looks over the device. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this random one open. Now Big China looks like the one I want to get with. Okay. Tells me the steps, yada yada yada. I just want to make sure it has a curve for the glass. And it kind of feels like it does have that curve. Here's the privacy. Okay, I kind of like that. See what this looks like. Oh man, it's going to be hard lining it up though. Once it's lined up, I would do it like that, but it has like a ridge on each side that you wouldn't be able to touch if I was to put this one on. So it may be a no-go. Anywho, I'll see how I feel about that later. Let's look at the clear one. This one supposedly comes with a 1-year warranty. I don't know how true that is, but we shall see. Ooh, this one is real light. It's thinner too. But this feels somewhat thicker. Okay, let's see what this looks like. And this, on the other hand, you can see that, but it doesn't really curve like the privacy one here.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Alright, terms and conditions. Let's go ahead and put this card in. I'll just go through terms and conditions first. I don't know if you can see that there.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
I'm not opting in for any of these sending diagnostic information or information linking. So don't want that.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult.
I don't want to do it wirelessly. I want to do it USB. Alright, so I'm getting my old device. Alright, so my old device here is the Note 5. And I need to go into my Samsung apps here. Thought I had it downloaded already. Guess I gotta re-download it again. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is just downloading the app here. It's installing. So what I'm going to do here is plug this in there like so. I don't want to break it, but man, it's a little firm there. Wasn't expecting that. So I'm opening the app, agree, allow, and this is going to be sending data, cable. Alright, so connect. I'm gonna allow it. It's connected. And the transfer begins. I'm guessing it should grab everything. This is my first time doing this, but we shall wait and see. It's at 33%. I want everything. And it's just asking me, what do I want to transfer over? I'm saying everything. Here's the thing to note though, it will only transfer the apps that downloaded from the App Store. Actually no, Pandora's there, never mind. So I'm going to say done there. I want settings, I want everything that's there. Let's go ahead and transfer. While that's transferring, I'm going to put this back here. I don't really like this screen protector too much. So it's updating. It already transferred my Wi-Fi connection, so I don't have to re-enter that. That's a huge plus. Up, I gotta enter my account information. Let me go off camera for that. So now it's asking me how I want to set it up. Not now. Skip anyway. Do I want to use Google Assistant? No thanks. I don't want you to use my location data. I don't want to send diagnostic information.
Log into a Samsung account to get the most out of your
Oh
device.
boy. I thought all of this stuff would have transferred over.
Alright, you're all set.
So I'm going to go ahead and simply hit finish. It's still transferring, so let's see if I can get it to focus on this. Finish. And there it is. It says don't disconnect the cable, and it's doing its thug dizzle. And that's about it. Looks good. It's really responsive. No, Big C, I am not using you. I hate you. Oh, you have Edge screen. Okay, okay. Edge apps. And just everything's transferring, so that's that. And I may come back with future videos. We'll see how you guys like this one.